Don't. Ooh. Stick it in.
He's smiling. He's humping. He was humping my arm and everything.
You see?
Oh no! We just saw it. And then he was doing it.
My turn. He did it to me first.
He did it to me.
Yeah, why is he doing that?
Because he's too happy. He's hyper.
Yeah,
So what do I have to do?
No. We just saw him. He just started out of nowhere.
What do I have to do?
That's to put in my arm. He just did it out of nowhere. He did it to my arm twice.
Sweet.
He started
My
doing
turn.
it to me. He did it to my back. No. Tell him.
Okay.
Okay, guys, go.
Oh my gosh, I'm leaving.
You do it. You do it. Okay, Alanis, you do it first.
Nevaeh probably taught him that.
Yeah, that's what we're all saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he was up here by
What do I have
himself.
to do? So
Oh, where's Nevaeh?
I don't know.
She comes out here. I'm gonna say, bitch, get the fuck out of here.
He's a boy dog. That's what he's